so we have one last question on words in context. So let's see the question stem. It's the same, right? I mean, it's going to be the same, the standard question. Okay, let's read the text now. The parasitic daughter plant increases its reproductive success by flowering at the same time as the host plant it has latched onto. So we are talking about this parasitic daughter plant. And what is it doing? It's flowering at the same time as the host plant it has latched onto, right? And why is it doing so? Why is it flowering at the same time as the host plant? To increase its reproductive success. For this, they are flowering at the same time as the host plant. Alright, we've understood this. Let's read ahead. In 2020, JW and his colleagues determined that the tiny daughter achieves this blank. What is this referring to? It's basically referring to whatever is being told to me in the first sentence, right? Now it can refer to this increasing its reproductive success, or it can also refer to the flowering at the same time as the host plant. Now whatever it is, it can be more clear when we read ahead. What is this referring to? We have to read ahead to know. With its host by absorbing and utilizing the protein the host produces when it's about to flower. It's related to flowering. Right, flowering at the same time as the host plant. How is it able to achieve this? By absorbing and utilizing the protein that the host produces when it's about to flower. So whatever this blank should contain of, it should talk about the flowering of this parasitic daughter plant at the same time as the host plant. Correct? Now with this understanding, let's go ahead and start eliminating our options. A says synchronization. That's exactly what's happening in the text as well, right? And remember, I told you that in some way or the other, you'll find the word that you pick up already being mentioned in the text. So at the same time is basically being synchronized. So this synchronization, the tiny daughter achieves this synchronization with its host by doing this. Correct? It's making sense as of now. But let's go ahead and eliminate our options. Hibernation means being inactive. If anything, this daughter plant is being active, right? It's working. It's definitely working. It's not being inactive. So I'm going to eliminate this. This is contradicting the text. Now, prediction. It's so illogical to say that they are predicting something, right? What are they predicting here? What can they predict? We're talking about this whole act of flowering at the same time as a host plant. This is not prediction. So this is out of context. Moderation. What are they making less extreme? This daughter plant is making nothing less extreme, right? I mean, if anything, it's flowering at the same time as the host plant. Something happening at the same time. There's nothing about moderation or making something less extreme. So A is clearly our correct option. Is the best or the most logical word and a precise word that I can pick up for the blank in the text.